Welcome to our guide on RORO ships, a crucial component of global shipping. Today, we'll explore the different types of RORO vessels, their unique features, and their vital role in transporting goods worldwide.
First, let's look at pure car carriers, PCCs. These are specialized RORO ships designed exclusively for transporting cars. With multiple decks and a sophisticated ramp system, PCCs can efficiently load and unload hundreds of vehicles in a single trip. Their design minimizes damage and ensures safe transport across long distances.
Next, we have pure car and truck carriers, PCTCs. These vessels are versatile, capable of carrying not only cars but also trucks, buses, and other heavy machinery. The adaptable decks and strong ramp capacity make PCTCs ideal for transporting a wide range of vehicles. They play a significant role in global trade, ensuring that various types of motor vehicles reach their destinations intact.
In conclusion, RORO ships, including PCCs and PCTCs, are essential for the efficient and safe transport of vehicles across the globe. Their specialized designs and capabilities make them indispensable in the maritime industry. Understanding these ships helps us appreciate the complexity and importance of global shipping.